Hey guys, happy new year. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stacy Angeline. If you're a new subscriber, thank you very much for clicking on this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for your continued support in watching, liking and sharing my content. So today we're diving deep into the strategies and mindset shifts that will make 2024 your absolute best year yet. And whether you're navigating college, launching a career or exploring new paths, this video is packed with tips to set you up for success. And yes, we're throwing it a little dash of manifestation magic. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off by talking about setting the tone of the year. It's not just about resolutions, it's about intentional choices and actions that align with the life you want to live. Number 2 is reflect on your values. So grab a journal, let's get reflective. What are your core values? What truly matters to you? And by aligning your goals with your values, you will create a roadmap for a fulfilling and a purpose-driven new year. Tip number 3 is to define your picture goals, the big picture. Think big, dream even much more bigger. What are your major goals for 2024? And whether it's career milestones, personal growth, health and wellness, relationship with your friends and family, let's set some ambitious yet achievable goals. The next step is to build a support system. You're not alone in this. So surround yourself with people who uplift and support you, people who make you accountable for the goals you've just set in the first step. A solid support system can make all the difference in turning your dreams into what? Into a reality. The next step is the mastering manifestation. When we talk about manifestation, this is a powerful tool for turning thoughts into actions and goals into achievements. Close your eyes and visualize success. Picture yourself achieving your goals in vivid detail. Visualization isn't just a mental exercise, it's a powerful motivator that can propel you towards your dreams. Our next step is creating a vision board. Let's get artsy. Gather magazines, images, and quotes that resonate with your goals. Create a vision board that serves as a daily reminder of your aspirations. This will be a virtual or a visual manifestation of your actual dreams. The next step is taking action. Manifestation isn't just about wishing, it's about taking intentional actions to bring your desires to life. We have something called daily affirmations. Repeat after me. I am capable, I am deserving, I attract success and abundance. Daily affirmations set the tone for your day and help cultivate a positive mindset. So let's make affirmation a habit for a very successful 2024. We have mastering time and productivity. Time is your most valuable asset and 2024 is the year to master it. Let's talk about productivity hacks that will give you the edge. Time blocking for efficiency. Grab that planner or journal or whatever you use for your scheduling. Time blocking will help you allocate specific time slots to tasks. Ensure you're focused and very efficient. So take control of your schedule and watch all the magic happen. Last but not least, we have embracing learning and growth. Never stop learning, whether it's a new skill, a new course, or diving into a book. Constant growth fuels success. Let's make 2024 the year of expanding our knowledge and skill set. Alright, my fellow Earthlings, that wraps up our guide to making 2024 the best year of our lives. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more young adult empowerment, and hit that notification bell to be reminded every time I post a video. Remember, the journey is yours to craft. Here's to an incredible 2024 of growth, purpose, and manifestation. See you in my next video. My name is Stacy Angeline. Until next time, bye.